Where is the stream? Where is it? Where is Omni-Man? Where is he? I'm just trying to search for it now. Come on. Yeah, this would be 30th video, I think. But where is it? Ah, where is it? Playlists. Random, I guess? So I can find it easier here. Yeah, there we go. No, this is... That ain't the one. This is... Okay, there we go. Let's send the links. Them. What? You know, why the fuck does it auto-translate yo to them? Like, I hover over your message, Alex, and it just says them. And then when I don't hover over it, it says yo. So, like, translation for some reason is them. Them? What is YouTube on about, bro? Since when yo translated to them? Anyways. Let me just make sure. Oh wait, never mind. I am streaming, so like I don't have to record. I'm way too used to just recording when I do attempts. So. Well, hello. Okay, now let's see. Well, hello. Well, hello again. 2.
2. Things I don't understand how people do the things that they do. 7. Trust me. 1. Believe me. 5. 6. Trust me. 6. 7. You trust me. 7. 3. 7. 7. 5.
I thought the vent was closed this entire time, bro. Gang boy. I mean, for the first attempt, this is good. I didn't mean to make that mistake. I probably made it while I was talking. But yeah, overall, it's good. I think. So gotta change the volume of the actual game to be a bit more quiet. This is way too loud. Okay. Holy save. That was crazy.
1. 4.
Bro.
6.
Like, what am I losing? What am I making mistakes to?
4. 3. 4. 7. 2. 1. 7. 5. 6. 1. 3. Seven. One. Six. Two. Five. 7. 1. 4. 5. 7. 1.
No! Fuck no! No! Oh, that was only. Oh,
Let's go back to our stage.
that was only 4:40. I thought it was like 5:40, bro. That felt like 5 a.m. No, fuck, bro. Like, this mode feels like, it feels like it's like 10 minutes long. I swear to God, they take so much that it feels like 10 minutes. No, bro. Oh, I was actually nervous because it's like top 8. Fuck. It feels like 10 minutes. It just feels like because of how much they attack. I thought it was like 5 a.m., but it was 4. I hate the modes that don't tell you the time. You just have to guess that you're far. Like, I saw a lot of lightning strikes, the things that happen every hour that tell you that the next hour happened. I thought I saw 5 of them. I was like, oh my god, I'm on 5, I'm about to do it. But no, I was still on 4, but that's still new PB because my previous PBs were 4:30s. Ah, I mean, it wasn't that hard. I got it really early now, but like, there's so much on my mind. Ah. Well, I guess I'm stopping Happiest Memory attempts right away because I need a goddamn break for a little bit. But I'll play it again later, before the stream ends. Like, I'll play it more. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess getting away. That's worst ever. Anyways, game I probably haven't showed you. I showed plenty of people, but you remember the flashlight thingy that I showed you in GC a few days ago? That you were like asking, oh, what the fuck is this now? Well, that's actually... Wait, hold on, I'll show you in a second. This is what it is. So, like, don't mind this guy. This metal pyro. I'll just run it. So you have this panel right here. And this is what the flashlight is for. So this is like a TF2 FNAF type of shit. So like, the guy you see in the stream, yeah, then Big Boom made me some, or well, Love, but he's called Big Boom here on YouTube. He made me some pyro sprites, which I'm gonna try importing right now. And you're gonna have to flash pyro back here from time to time, depending on the sound cues and shit. The cameras are gonna be here, which I'm gonna make soon, and this is where this like mini maintenance panel is. And then you have Spike Check, Activate Sentry, Repair, Wrangler. So like Wrangler is gonna be like you press a certain keybind and you get access to the laser pointer of sorts. No, this is not a FNAC free reference before you said it. You get a, because Wrangler in TF2 works like laser pointer, so they're gonna be coming from your left and right, and you're gonna have to like point that laser at one part of them, I guess. Like, okay, I know you're gonna say it's like Candice free, and it is, but that's just how Wrangler works, and I need to make it laser pointer objected, I guess. You know, so it's gonna be something like that. But yeah, whenever you use it, the stability is gonna drain, and that's what Repair Wrangler is for. Whenever you have this on, whenever you click this, it starts repairing. So like if you have it at 50% and you keep this screen on, or not this, the next one after you click this, but I haven't made it yet, it's gonna keep repairing your stability. Then we have Activate Sentry, which on cams, when you go through 7 cams, there are gonna be 7 cams. You're gonna have to stop, for example, Scout or someone else on those cameras, and you use Activate Sentry on those cams to, you know, just straight out just kill them. So you set up... Okay, that's not supposed to happen. I'll fix that. You just basically click one of these cams, it gets set up, and you can't use the cams while it's getting set up, but when it does, you know, then you can watch the camera and see if anyone passes by that sentry. And spy check is just checking for spy. The entire building gets scanned. Kind of like 5 shows at Wario's, the terror thing. You know which show I'm talking about, where you can use the scan the entire building. That's basically this, but for spy, and it's really important because he can sap your activated sentries, and then someone can get through and stuff like that. You'll see more as it gets made, but so far it seems to be working just fine. Yeah, safety terror. Yeah. Yeah, there's Love. That's him. So I'm thinking about finishing the storage first, which is like behind you. I don't know why I called it storage. I just it's kind of like what it resembles in the thing that I took inspiration from. So whatever. The name doesn't matter. I'll change it later. I'll just change it to back. Anyways, I'll bring display capture in a second. Let me just come on, save. Why is it not downloading this? Okay, there we go. Spring. What's going on with these two? I don't know why, but I don't know if I want to slime it out, bro. Like, I haven't played 5 Shows at Warriors in God knows how long, but still. Maybe one day. Let me just install these. Download these sprites that I need. Come on. Okay, Sprite 2, Sprite 1, Sprite 3 are installed. I don't know what's up with the fourth one. It should. Okay, there we go, installed. Okay. So, this is the flashlight thing. This is when it's all dark and it just keeps switching between these three on certain conditions I made right here. Should probably delete these four. So yeah, as you can see, like, the code for the back is pretty simple. It's just 5 lines of code, which is not that bad. So like, what I can try explaining it so y'all know how I can do this. That's actually a good idea, because I always wanted to make Origins hard. Yeah, true. Origins can get more love. Anyways, so how this works, always set position to X mouse and set, set these both positions to the mouse. So what it does is it follows horizontal and, it follows horizontal and vertical movements of the mouse so that this flashlight sprite, hold on, so this follows my mouse because it set this condition which sets X to X mouse and Y to Y mouse, So like that's what I did with flashlight, and then I said it's these two things to center. So hotspot, center. That's really important to do because otherwise it's not gonna follow your mouse precisely. It's really important to do the hotspots. Then when mouse pointer is not overturned back, place sample flashlight on and toggle the flag for the flashlight. So what flags are like, it's like light switch. When I click, it toggles the light switch. So if the light switch is on for the flashlight, then make black screen invisible and make this be visible. But I don't need to disable it because black screen is on the high layer. So this is just gonna this is already, like, whenever black screen appears, flashlight is visible, but it needs to be like really visible above the layer for it to. This needs to be invisible for flashlight to be visible. I don't need to make it reappear here. And then do black screen reappear when the flag 0 is off. So when the flashlight is off, black screen. When the flashlight is on, make it invisible and then disappears. And then just when I turn back, stop this flash and jump to frame front. And frame front is this. So yeah, that's literally it. It's as simple as that. If you want to know how I made the flashlight. Let's see. So now I gotta actually make. No, keep originals hotspots. Center. Can I? God, can I zoom out, please? No. Okay, I don't want this sprite right now, but I'll probably use it. I need the one where he's. Actually, no. Let me crop this. Crop image. think it's sprite 2. Yeah, it is. Okay. I only need this part. I should have specified this stuff, by the way. I only need the kind of upper parts, but the entire body would still be appreciated just in case I need it. You know? Okay, I guess that's good enough. Center, center. We're gonna make this. I need zoom. Actually, why don't I make it layered here and then I copy that, I delete. No, no. Okay. Oh my god, it's behind the entire image, right? Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be a little hard to make. Oh, wait, this is perfect. Oh my god, I think this looks perfect. Because it actually looks like he's trying to grab the intelligence right here. And then maybe I could ask you love to. Yeah. Maybe his eyes could flash. Like it could be light blue like in the game. Maybe. But it looks like good like this either way, but we'll see. For now it can like stay. Okay, so I'm gonna make him I'm gonna have to use the create system. Okay, so new condition every 5 seconds. Create object pyropose relative to no, not from. I need no. Just make it here. Eight hundred 451, 800. Okay, that's it. I just want to test if this works first. Okay, he's not supposed to be visible at start. It creates him, but oh, okay, my bad. So when time equals 5, it should create him. Okay, no, never mind. How about visible at start, don't create at start? Yay, it works. Okay, so now I need to make it so that when you flash him multiple times and your light is off, or no, when you're, yeah, see, that's the problem. Because if I have my light on, he's just gonna appear while I have my light on. Which is what I don't want to happen. I want him to appear only when the light is off. So I needed to check condition every 5 seconds. Create it. Is visible. How do I... Oh my god, okay, this is gonna be tricky. How do I make it wait so that it waits for this before it makes this? Hold on, let me think. Oh, I have an idea. Okay. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna say Black screen. Oh no, that wouldn't make sense. Let's see how this works. But I'm worried it's not gonna make him if I if I don't have my light off. At 5 seconds, yeah. But if I keep it off... yeah, that's the problem. See, like, I need him to... Unless I make the range. How about that? 5,000 to 10,000. Because I need him to appear in the range. I don't need him to... If you don't have... The thing is, if you have your flashlight off, or not off, on at 5 seconds, he's just not gonna appear at all. Incredible. No, I can't really crop up the table because it's like the entire image. He's probably gonna... Yeah, he's kind of gonna work like that. It's the old Chuck? I don't know. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Leonardo's a pretty easy spin. I will, I will. I think it's just the eyes. Also, I can just do it here. I think. I need a full eye. I think. How about a pixel? I'll just go pixel by pixel and try to work with that. I just want to see if this... Yeah, okay. I need them to be all, like, pretty bright. So I'm just gonna click them multiple times so it's not, like, blacked out or something. Oh, what am I doing, bro? Tolerance... No, it looks even worse now. Oh my god. Wait, no, cancel, go back, and now only focus on the very dark parts. And the few ones that are, like, off, I guess. What do you see, Olaf? Should I just... I gotta revert it. GMs. I don't know about the red ones, bro. Like, it looks okay, but he's blue, so, like, I guess changing him to blue. Let's just make sure this is absolutely a range in question. See, he missed the interval. How about... I'll try to make a system where if you don't keep your... if you have your lights on for more than 5 seconds, he just kills you. Because I need a way to prevent the player from just keeping the light on to make... So, like, if I let player be able to just keep the light on, then, like, he's not gonna spawn. And if he doesn't spawn, then what's the point? He's just not gonna work. So I need to make sure there's some restriction to when he can, like, have the... to how long you can have the flashlight on. I don't know. I'll see. So visible every 1 second when it's visible, make him appear. And now when I have an idea, so I'm gonna give him alterable value A. It's gonna be set to say 180, and then flashlight is visible. Oh, let me think. It's not just visible, because then you can keep it on for him, which would automatically get you killed. I need you to, like, keep clean. Yeah, blue. I need it, I need, like, oh my god. I need to make it so that you have to keep flashing him, not just hold the light on him. So, like, 180, and then something with the flags, I think. Let's make a new flag. No, not for the pyro, uh, for this image. There isn't. So, flag. How about a simple counter? So, like, flashlight is visible. Add 1 to the counter, and then no, not an active. So, like, add 1 to the counter and only repeat that action once. Counter, add 1 to the counter, only. What do you mean repeat? Wait, maybe I could use repeat 5 times? Wait, hold on. If this works, then this is gonna be easy as fuck to implement. But I don't think it will, so. But mouse pointer needs to be over him, so like, mouse check for mouse pointer on an object. Mouse pointer is over him. Mouse pointer is not overturned back. Repeat 5 times, left click. Just destroy. No, but this is gonna repeat the thing 5 times, not. I'm just gonna try invisible right now. Okay, but no. Yeah, I need a counter. So like add 1 to counter. Counter equals 5. Counter. Oh, 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 oh. I think it works. Let's put the counter right here so I can keep track of it. So you see the counter here. Okay, but how about I set that to 10 then? If it acts like 2 for some reason. Okay, that works, but I want to see if I keep my light on. Yeah, it doesn't add. Oh, it adds because... Okay, okay, okay. Okay. I think I have an idea for... I know why it adds 2 instead of 1. It's because of the black screen. So I'm gonna make this subtract 1 and make this equal to 5. And I think that should work completely. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, let's just scrap that and go back to the formula that works. Never mind. I'll make him less common, of course, but he works as is right now. Yeah. Like, he appears way too often. I need to make him way slower. I think that could work. He overwrote the existing one. I mean, I guess, but this is definitely not gonna be the final one. I'm just gonna name it test. Test www. I'm happy to report that this works. Now I just need to do that. Download it. Then oh, fuck. Wait, okay. Put this down here. Not visible at start, because why would it be? I don't like counters, so I'm just gonna put it somewhere far away. And make sure it doesn't get destroyed. Yeah, don't destroy if it's too far from the frame. There. 845, 451. Why is he so gigantic? Holy fuck. 302. Okay. Okay. Yeah, my bad, my bad, Pyro. Okay, they don't have the... Let me zoom that in. I guess? I guess? Let's try. Okay, so right now he's not visible. And I need to make it whenever the light is on for more than 5 seconds. Oh, okay, I'm dumb. Change this to him. This to this. Oh my god. To his actual position. So that'd be 702, 331. 702, 331. No. That ain't it, chief. I don't fucking know. We'll figure that out. So when that, and I need him to be destroyed when it equals 10. Yeah, okay. And now I just make him pyro flash pose 1. Yep. Okay, that works. I think. Is okay, sure, that works. Yeah. But just see if you can make this blue completely. Okay. So I'd say make it 8. 4 is a little too much. And when it equals 8, I need a leaving sound of sorts. But I don't have the TF2 sounds here, so I'm just gonna have to improvise right now. Door compress. Valve too. Valve fix. Mm. I need a one where it's like walk. Oh wait, that could be walk. Yeah. I think. I think. Yeah, that's the one. I think, but eh, nah. Maybe just a click. What does the click sound like? Nah, that's just not it. Error click. Doesn't make sense, but door. Even that could work. Maybe depends on how it sounds. I mean, I guess because it's a robot, but like it's meant to sound like a door, and it's a bit too loud. But if I set the volume to less, let's try. Set sample volume, door, interruptible, like 50, and that above this, because yeah. But what do you mean by animated loop? Like him trying to grab it as animation, or just like that's way too loud? Why is it way too loud? I set the volume to 50. What the fuck? Do I need to set it manually? Volume changer. Choose file. Nebula patches dumps. This game. Door. Too loud. $85. I guess. I'll try. I mean, animations would definitely help. I guess, like, what we could do with Sniper, we could do with Pyro 2. Where it's just like GIF, so image sequences, where he's trying to just move a bit more move a bit more forward. It doesn't have to be extremely smooth, but like I don't know, like 10 images, and those 10 images are like a sequence where he just gets moved a bit more every single time. And I guess yeah, the GIFs. And then like this movement sound, I need buzzing to play, like the bzzz with the flashlight, I guess, and then some kind of fade in. But I'll see what I can do. I'll just add the flash thing right now. Also, I'll be right back. Okay. I think it's the other one. I'll see. Sounds. Flashlight. Blah, 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 blah. Complete. Reboot on. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I'll definitely add some ambience too, but I have an issue with that, so. Oh, it's that. Yeah, definitely don't have that. What's the flashlight thing called? I just need to. No, not this, not this. Definitely not that. I just want to see what this is. Okay. That's not what I. Oh, where is it? Where is Omni-Man? Where is he? That. Kinda, but not that long. I know there's a shorter version, or well, the faster version. Horse static. I think this is it. No, that's. Oh my god. It's something along those lines, like fast, loud sparking, long sparking. What's the difference? Oh, this is just long, and this is. I mean, I guess, but it needs to play really. Thanks, love. I need to make it much shorter. Much shorter. Dumps. I guess. That's for flashlight. Oh, I need counter equals to 8. And wait, let me think. Actually, no, counter equals to 8. Do you play sparks, but not those, rather the ones I cut? Let me try. Yeah, but I can immediately turn it back on, so like... Flags. It's like always create flashlight, but not always. I need it created at start. I need it destroyed here. And then this equaling 0 every 5 seconds, or not 5, I would be too much. Every 2 seconds, create that flashlight again. Same position, I guess. That's not it, so I'm just gonna... What if I just put this a layer above? Load frame. How do I control layers again? Storyboard controls. Actually, no. Okay, how about that, and then another condition, and if user clicks, the left button. But no, counter is... oh my god. Okay, I'll just make it like this. I'll figure it out eventually. But it would be cool if he had some kind of leaving. Let me make the other poses now. And I think I have a solution for this. Every 510. Every 520. Every 530. Every 540. And every 550. Because I don't know how fast someone can get rid of him. So I need to test. Oh, I'm just gonna spam as much as possible to see if it's possible to like get rid of him and him to spawn right away, so I can fix that. And I think that just breaks him, so... well, shit. It just needs to be way more common, I guess. Also, I think I have one idea. Of what I could possibly do in the back. So, like, I could make repair Wrangler be here. So that you have to repair Wrangle here. Because it's kind of hard for me to make you needing to check the back. and him actually getting you if you don't check it. Because these are two separate frames, not layers. And I can't really make it... I mean, I can make it a layer here, but I really want it to be uh, another frame, because it has fade in and fade out animation like this. It just feels like it's a separate part of the office. What do you mean, bro? Whoop whoop? What? So what, did I just say something that's like... I don't know. Just let me warp, bro. And I should have... okay. I should have stuck with the first pyro, cause... Oh, how am I gonna make the... Oh, wait, never mind, I have an idea. Why the fuck is he so big? Same pyro, by the way. Looks so mini, bro. Like, what the fuck? Why is he so small? Okay, let's ramp this up. 500, 800. This looks so weird. Should just resize him instead of making it like that. Love, just next time, please make sure to make them smaller. They're so big. This is like giant pyro. This ain't even a small robot pyro. Okay, finally. Something like this will do. Yeah, I know. It looks good. It does look good. It does like fit, because he's like... Oh, fuck. I'll probably change this one back to the eyeless one until we make them all have blue eyes, you know? But as it is right now, he's just gonna like have to stay like that. So now comes the tricky part where we have to make it choose between those two. So it needs to roll the pad, and if it rolls 1, wait, how do I make this? Every same 5 seconds. How do I make it choose randomly? Need another counter. Oh, wait. Random. How do I make it? Fuck you mean missing a closing? How about random range? Random range always works. $59, not $49. Probably really important. But when it does roll 1, every 2 seconds, when it's 1, make it back to 0. This should work, hopefully. It's a little complex, but it should. So add 0 to 1 random to counter it if it equals 1. How about every 8 seconds? Or not 2, because it rolls on 5, so okay. Gonna make this right here. And now I need to make another counter. Okay, let's see if this works. Like I've said, it's pretty complex, but maybe. Oh. Okay, let me use debugger so I can know what time it is. Roll the 0. Roll the 0 again. I saw it roll 5. Not 5, 1. So why is it not rolling 1? Oh my god. Okay, it does roll 1, but why does it, first off, why doesn't it create him? It probably does, but hold on. And then it's also not supposed to create him. Oh my god, why? But dude, you're not supposed to exist when it's 1. Why the fuck do you exist? Did they choose the correct counter? How about that? Okay, I will. I just... What the fuck is up with him? Why is he not existing? Like, what the fuck? I just want to figure that out. Bro, where is he? I don't give a shit about you, bro. Like, hello? Visible at start? Create a start? Is it this? Like, bro, exist. Start existing. But look! He exists perfectly fine. So what's the deal? Why can't you just create him? Does it not create a... Great, like... Look. Maybe it's because of this. How about that? I'll do the same for the other. No restrictions. Nope. Maybe it's because of layer. Wait, this could be it. No, layer 1. What the fuck? Bro. How about just make him visible? So I can see where the issue is. No? Bro, what? Okay, 4. Sure. I'm so confused. Oh wait, it doesn't create him at start. Right. Okay. But now he's just visible. Okay, create at start. Always, or not always, start of the frame. Destroy him. And at this point, just create him. Yes, I guess it doesn't even matter. I just wanted to see if he's actually gonna appear. Oh, there you fucking are. There you fucking are. Thank you. Yeah, it has to be specifically. I'll make it 4. One, please. I don't know why he's purple like this. And then his value equals 10. This. Okay. Wait, why are we destroying him? What the fuck? Okay, that's sad. Yeah, that sounds about right. A roll of 1, please. Why did him take? Why did it? What? Why did it take him? What the fuck? I guess, bro, but like, that ain't it. Give me this. And it's not even visible at start, okay. That's so weird. could be because of that. Also set this back to where it was before. This is, I mean, okay. I just need the epsilon. 410, whatever, for starters. No. I traveled the world. No, that's too close. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Still waiting for him to spawn. How fucking rare is it for him to spawn, bro? I just don't like the purple overlay, that's it. I don't know what's up with it. Or why it exists. I'm gonna try copying him. Please look normal. Needs to be less. He's also still purple. Or whatever the fuck. I mean, I think it just could overall use a better system. It's okay, but it just doesn't feel like it. Let's make this 5 and make this 6. 'Cause I think he appears a little too often. So I'm gonna try switching sides after I get rid of them. I'm gonna try implementing a warning sign system where we're at the start of the frame. It rolls this. No. Yeah, that. And where it rolls. Yeah, no time limit, just. Like, sure, he's gonna keep existing, but like, let's see. So after the flash is 6. Make random counter 2, and then this with the 2. What's up with these colors again? Wait, I still need. Oh, it only adds at the start of the frame. Never mind. Okay then, so let's do that every 1 second. Don't set counter to 6, it stays on 2. We're gonna keep it on 2, and it's only gonna reset after you turn around. I think same goes for this. Every... Okay, he only appears once. What about the other one? I don't want them to. So like the idea is when the warning sign of sorts appears here, you wanna turn around, flash one of them, like one, depending on where they spawn, you flash one of them away and then just go back to doing the normal stuff. Or not warning sign, just some kind of cue that they're behind you. So you turn around, check all positions, and flash them away. Oh, you have classes tomorrow? Do it Saturday? I mean, I guess. But yeah, it's fine. I'm ending the stream now anyway, so yeah. See ya. I think I'm gonna do the attempt sub-stream either way, so yep, that's it. Goodbye everyone. Hope you have the good rest of Friday, weekend, whatever, and yeah, that's it. Bye.